Hello, good evening. Before I start this interview, let me introduce myself. My name is Khofial Fatah. I'm a student of Asia E University. So today I want to interview you. Can you introduce yourself?
Well, hello Fata. My name is Vicky Afrik and I'm 28.
Okay, Vicky. This Zoom meeting is being recorded and will be uploaded for my assignment. Are you good with that?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, so let's get to the interview session. The
Okay.
first question, how do you usually determine the credibility of any product that you are purchasing?
Usually I'm start by reading reviews from multiple sources or look up at YouTube or any other media, including customer reviews on marketplace like in here is Tokopedia or Shopee or Lazada or maybe Amazon. And also from mostly I look up at YouTube from Jagat Review because they usually reviewing the newest technology. And another thing is from the reputation of the brand and the history of the product. If it's a good product from a long, if they have a history of a good product and a good customer service, usually they are more trustworthy.
Okay. Have you ever bought any product solely because of the spokesperson endorsing the product? If yes,
Yes, I have.
why? Why?
Because the person who's endorsing it are really well known in tech industry and they have more knowledge about technology more than I am and something that I can trust. And then yeah, I mean because they have more history at reviewing other product and I can compare it with other things.
So, would you do it in the future?
Maybe if the spokesperson or the person who's endorsing it can really show the benefit of the product that I want to buy it, or they have more, what do I say it? Maybe another voucher or anything like that, and I do it with my own research. Then I could maybe buy one.
Then I want to ask you about this product. Would you buy this product? Wait, I will show the product first. Would you buy this product?
I see. I might buy it or might not buy the Samsung S24 for the Galaxy AI if the AI is not significantly better than other product that also have AI, and also if the price is doesn't make sense or I cannot justify the price. But budget consideration and probably from the review from the reviewer from tech industry, it also influenced my decision. Either I buy it or against it.
Okay. Then next question is, what is your opinion about a brand using a popular celebrity as the spokesperson to boost their product credibility?
Well, it's a good marketing strategy is if a well-known celebrity can endorse it, it could attract a new possibility of a new customer and also give a bigger attention to the public and could also leveraging their popularity and fan base. But that also could create a strong impact for the sales, especially if the celebrity or the influencer image align with the brand's value and target audience.
How do you think critical thinking can be used to determine the credibility of a brand or a person?
Well, in my opinion, by applying critical thinking, give more benefit to me because I could have a solution to what I'm trying to get. Like trying to lower the bias at looking at the product. I could find I could no no it's not that I find that I could do my own research on that brand, like viewing on the videos or the review on the marketplace. So it's much better to have critical thinking so I get a true analysis rather than a superficial impression.
Okay, I think that's all from my questions. Thank you for your response and thank you for your
Thank you,
time.
thank you.
Have a nice day.
Hello, welcome. Today we'll be discussing the Galaxy AI feature in the new Samsung Galaxy S24 supported by Anya Geraldine. We'll explore how celebrity endorsement and product credibility influence consumer decision. Let's get started. Oh yeah, by the way, this interview will be in our native language. So let's get right in. Oke, jadi nomor satu, bagaimana Anda biasanya menentukan kredibilitas suatu produk yang akan Anda beli?
Kredibilitas ya. Kalau kredibilitas dari produk biasanya sebelum beli itu ngelihat review dari pengguna, terus mungkin juga apa namanya ulasan dari para ahli yang kayak review-review di YouTube itu. Sebelum itu juga reputasi mereknya kayak gimana, ada apa aja fiturnya pada produk itu, dan kalau bisa kita ngomongin S24 kan kita ke tempat penjualannya aja terus nyobain sendiri gitu.
Oke, baik. Oke, lanjut. Question nomor dua. Apakah Anda pernah membeli produk hanya karena juru bicara yang mendukung produk tersebut? Jika iya, mengapa? Dan jika tidak, apakah Anda akan melakukannya di masa depan?
Jujur, selama ini tuh nggak pernah ya, pasti ngeliat review dulu atau yang lain-lain. Soalnya kalau lewat juru bicara aja kan namanya juga marketing ya. Tapi kalau misalnya juru bicaranya itu emang benar, terus reviewnya bagus, terus yang apa ya dijanjikan tuh beneran ada, bisa.
Oke. Oke, lanjut ke question number 3. Apakah Anda akan membeli Samsung Galaxy S24? Jika iya, mengapa? Dan jika tidak, mengapa tidak?
Oke, jadinya S24 yang paling baru. Samsung S24 ini mungkin bisa dipertimbangkan lagi. Soalnya dukungan endorsement ini tuh menarik gitu oleh Anya Geraldine kan ya. Tapi ya
Iya.
sebelum itu ya balik lagi ke yang pertama tadi, melihat review-review dulu dan ulasan dari yang para ahli itu.
Oke, oke. Oke. Lanjut, question number 4. Apa pendapat Anda tentang merek yang menggunakan selebriti populer sebagai juru bicara untuk meningkatkan kredibilitas produk?
Kredibilitas produk ya menggunakan juru bicara para selebritas itu ya untuk pertamanya visibilitas produk itu jadi naik banget dan trust pada produk itu jadi naik banget. Em, itu sih bisa positif kalau endorsement-nya tuh emang jujur gitu. Maksudnya eh, yang dijanjikan tuh beneran ada. Tapi kalau misalnya ternyata yang dijanjikan tuh nggak ada, juga jadi turun banget justru.
Oke.
Eh itunya
Hmm.
ya lanjut.
Oke, sudah ya? Oke, untuk
Sudah.
question terakhir, bagaimana menurut Anda berpikir kritis bisa digunakan untuk menentukan kredibilitas merek atau orang?
Berpikir kritis ya. Tadi
Hmm.
kayak berpikir kritis menurut saya itu yang paling penting penelitian sih. Kita
Hmm.
ngelihat tuh apa fitur-fiturnya gitu-gitu. Bukan dari satu source tapi dari banyak source yang
Oke.
independen gitu. Dia nggak disponsor oleh merek tersebut. Terus kita juga lihat em, motif motif dari kalau dari endorsement kita lihatnya motif-motifnya aja. Terus ngumpulin bukti. Terus konsistensi dan transparansi merek itu juga dilihat.
Oke, sudah. Itu saja semuanya. Makasih
Oke,
Narendra.
baik.
Oke,
Iya, terima
jadi
kasih juga.
thank you for your insight. From this discussion, we can see that product credibility is determined by various factors such as reviews, brand reputation, and product features. Okay, celebrity endorsement can boost interest if perceived as genuine and supported by a quality product. Critical thinking is crucial in evaluating credibility by researching, analyzing motives, and checking for consistency and transparency. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Nara.
Hello, welcome. Today we'll be discussing the Galaxy AI feature in the new Samsung Galaxy S24, supported by Anya Geraldine. We'll explore how celebrity endorsement and product credibility influence consumer decision. Let's get started.
Okay.
First thing, how people determine the credibility of the product. Second is the influence of celebrity endorsement. And the last one, and the use of critical thinking in assessing brand and or individual. First, how do you usually determine the credibility of any product you are purchasing?
Well, I'm usually doing some research about the product that I'm going to buy, and maybe I'm asking about the product from my nearest person, so I can trust and buy the product that I'm going to purchase.
Okay. Next question is, have you ever bought any product solely because of the spokesperson endorsing the product? If yes, why? If no, would you do it in the future?
I'm not usually buy a product from people who get endorsed by them because basically um they are both from the product manager or from the
Okay.
person who are selling the product, because I think they are not truly being trusted by anyone, because they make they want the people to buy the product and want to make it the product looks good and the best. So I think it's not trusted because of it, because they are usually
Okay.
big. Yeah.
Next, would you buy this product? If yes, why? If no, why not?
The Galaxy AI feature, is it?
Yes, and the S24.
Okay. From now on, I'm usually have my own phone, and I think I'm not really needed right now, because the Galaxy AI feature is not my daily day using user. I'm not a daily day user of the AI feature. So I think from now I don't need it.
Okay. Next, what is your opinion on brands using popular celebrity as the spokesperson to boost the product credibility?
Well, if they endorse the right person, I think it's the best way to boost the marketing, the people mm, people awareness for the product, because like Arif Muhammad endorsing some cars, or Aya
Oh
Gerald
yeah.
endorsing something that are their daily life routine. I think it's a great idea.
Okay. Next, how do you think critical thinking can be used to determine the credibility of any brand or person?
How do you think critical thinking can be determine the credibility of? Maybe it's just about the how people think when they want to choose any brand, because if we have different mindset, we would have a different ideas of the critical thinking. So um I think it's about the people, it's about what they think to choosing
Oh,
the brand.
yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's it from me. Thank you for your insight. From this discussion, we can see that product credibility is determined by various factors such as reviews, brand reputation, and product features. Celebrity endorsement can boost interest if perceived as genuine and supported by a quality product. Critical thinking is crucial in evaluating credibility by researching, analyzing motive, and checking for consistency and transparency. Thank you for joining us today.
Hello everybody. First of all, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farhanuli Prasetyo and I'm student of Asia A University. Now, I will do some interview and the topic of this interview is Galaxy AI feature on Samsung Galaxy S24. And I'm with my friend Fadlan. Can you introduce yourself?
Thank you so much, Farhan. My name is Fadlan Pamifwadi, and thank you for having me.
All right. Okay. From this interview, I will do some question for my friend Fadlan. And for the first question is, okay, Fadlan, how do you usually determine the credibility of any product you are purchasing?
Well, of course, first and foremost, I have to look up the reviews from other users and experts, and also the reputation of the product, the brand itself, and the feature of the product. And sometimes I tried it myself.
Oh, okay. And for the second question is, have you ever bought any product solely because of the spokesperson endorsing the product? If yes, why? And if no, would you do it in the future, Fadlan?
No, but maybe I'll consider it if the support seems sincere from the spokesperson to convince me to buy the product.
Okay. All right. Okay, for the third question is, would you buy this product, Fadlan? If yes, why? And if no, why not?
Yes, I'll consider to buy the new Samsung Galaxy S24. Anya Geraldine's support is kind of build up my interest, but I also wanted to try and rely on the new feature, innovative AI from Samsung Galaxy S24, and also the Samsung reputation and the positive reviews.
Oh, okay. For the fourth question is, what is your opinion on brand using a popular celebrity as the spokesperson to boost the product's credibility?
Well, using celebrities can effectively increase visibility and initial trust, provided the endorsement and authenticity of the product to delivers on its promises and also to convince people to buy the product even more.
Okay. Okay, for the last question for this interview is, how do you think critical thinking can be used to determine the credibility of any brand or person? How do you think, Fadlan?
Well, critical thinking involves research, analyzing motives, uh, gathering evidence, and checking for consistency and trustworthiness so that the product itself can be ready to launch or deliver to the people that interest to this product.
Oh, okay. Okay, I think that's enough for my question and for this interview. Thank you for everything and thank you, Fadlan. Thank you, everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.